Do you need help understanding the US financial system or learning how to make wise financial decisions? If you answered yes, then you must watch this video. Hey greencardEZ viewers! Folks who move to the US face difficulties frequently due to differences in how things work in the US, such as the US financial system. Even a straightforward task, such as opening a bank account, can be confusing for a foreign national. Despite their importance, popular financial resources focused almost exclusively on US citizens and permanent residents. Discovering immigrant-friendly options can take much time and effort. Millions of international students and workers face the same problem year after year. It interferes with their academic, work, and life commitments in the short term. In the long run, not having adequate knowledge limits financial gains. Don't worry though, we've made it easy. At greencardEZ, we aim to share information and resources that will allow you to have a long and fulfilling life here in the USA. That is why we're super excited to kick off a comprehensive personal finance for immigrant visa series. While we will focus primarily on F1 and H1B visa holders, these topics will be helpful to all immigrants. We will start with the basics, such as applying for a social security number and opening bank accounts. Once you have a strong foundation, we will cover different financial products and how to use them to build an excellent credit file. A thorough understanding of these topics will save you tens of thousands of dollars, if not more. We will then cover advanced topics such as investment options and passive income to grow wealth. Along the way, we will look at myths and facts, top tips, mistakes to avoid, financial life hacks, and much more. Our greencardEZ Personal Finance series will empower you to build a solid financial future. We're going to release a new video every Friday. We've dubbed them Finance Fridays. If this interests you and you want to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio, subscribe and follow our channel and turn on all notifications. If you have any questions or comments, you're welcome to leave them below. However, the fastest way to get your questions answered is by asking them on our website, greencardez.com/discussions. My name is Gaurav Moosle, and from all of us at greencardEZ, thanks for watching.